Okay, it's Friday night. Yes. We're about to watch the Liz McGuire movie.
Because we have to kill time before our 1 a.m. bus ride.
Yeah.
To Barcelona.
It's 9:48 p.m. so we're gonna watch a movie. Yep. There's Mark. Woo! Just made it onto the bus. It started hailing. It's fine. We're fine.
See it coming towards me. Like I just saw a wall of hail approach. I was like, oh, here we go.
But we made it. It's all good.
We're here.
I don't even know what time it is, but
it's like 1:05.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're on our way to Barcelona. Okay, we're at bus stop number 3. What time is it? Too early.
8:07.
It's 8:07. Not that early, but we didn't get much sleep. Yeah. Anyways, we have a funny story to tell you about something that happened when we were getting off the bus.
So the bus driver, our tour guide, made a joke about, oh, we've crossed over to Catalan, or Catalunya, so y'all need to have your passports out. Like, ha ha ha. Yeah. And then this poor girl goes up to him after we got off the bus. She's like, oh, I'm sorry, like my passport's under the bus. And he's like, no, 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 it was a joke, it was a joke.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know, Catalonia is not in fact its own state or country.
Not yet.
Not yet. So, yeah. Anyways,
excited.
We're in Barcelona. We are approaching the Sagrada Familia. Okay, we're currently at the Sagrada Familia. We're in Barcelona. It's a little rainy, but it's got umbrellas, so it's all good.
When do we not have our umbrellas?
Yeah.
Get used to it.
Look, there's the Sagrada Familia and it's really pretty cool. Okay, raindrops on my camera. Rip. Okay, so we're currently looking at the back side of the Sagrada Familia. Oh, my umbrella's getting in the way. It's literally still under construction, so they said in 2026 we'll be done. Woo! We've got some soccer players down here playing soccer. Okay, we're not going in the stadium, so we're just looking through the gate. Kind of see.
Let us in.
Can't really see. Yeah, they didn't let us in. I was just trying to take a picture with Bessie up here, if you can see that. I pointed to the wrong guy like 3 times.
I had to tell her that she was pointing to the wrong
He's on our wall.
Dude, I know who he is. I just like couldn't see up here.
He's on our mirror.
Not a true fan.
Whatever.
Big fan.
I know who Messi is, okay? I'd say we're super big football fans. What about y'all? Football. Bye, Camp Nou. Emily and I just raced back to the bus. We ran. I won. Anyways, I won the race.
Say that you didn't.
What? You what?
Because you just, like, you cheated.
I did not cheat. How do you cheat in a race to the bus? Okay, we found lunch at a little place in Barcelona called Familia Lonja. So we're eating some lunch, got some tapas. So whenever we were first driving into Barcelona, I saw a billboard for a cava, which is like their champagne here. So we're at lunch currently. Got some cava. Super excited. It's really good. Okay, we just got our food. Got some bread, chicken, calamari, and we're waiting on potatoes. Buying tickets for Park Güell right now. Walking into Park Güell. We're surviving with our umbrellas. Wait, Elizabeth's here too. Lots of shade under this. It's not raining on us. Mark's in the back. Yeah.
The ceilings are pretty.
They're so pretty. Here, I'll show you.
These are drainage systems.
Yeah, Madison's teaching us all about Park Güell.
The columns here are drainage systems / like to use for drinking water. Because above us is a patio with sand, and that naturally filters the water through the columns. And that was when people were supposed to live here. That was going to be their drinking water.
The more you know.
Ahead of his time.
Okay, we found a tunnel in Park Güell. Not really sure what it is, but we're here. Having major throwback to Portland right now.
This feels like walking through the Japanese garden.
It really does.
Because our toes are freezing cold and we're really wet.
So wet. It's pouring. And all the greenery here.
And we're like trying our hardest to enjoy it.
Yeah, for real.
Being
We are.
so cold and wet.
So it's exactly like Portland. Yep. These are the iconic benches of Park Güell. They're so pretty. We finished taking pictures at the top of Park Güell and
So intricate, so
so pretty.
We love it.
Yeah, it was fun. And now I think we're done here. This is where we are, Casa del Guarda. All right, we just stopped at Coffee Park for some gelato.
Amazing.
So yummy. Yeah.
Still at Park Güell, we found a couple little souvenirs, but we're freezing and it's raining. But luckily, my phone case is waterproof and we're still trying to get a taxi 30 minutes later.
It's so cold.
Surviving by this Dell battery pack.
Please, someone come pick us up. Update, someone picked us up. We're now in a souvenir shop by Sagrada Familia, and yeah, that's it. On to our official ring dunk jerseys. Here at McDonald's.
That's it. Like, if the weather was too much for us.
We're standing in line for Sagrada Familia. Bye, Sagrada Familia. See you later. My umbrella. Gigs. We're back at McDonald's again.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah, who's shocked? Like this video if you're surprised that we're at McDonald's. Yeah, we just got dinner. So we're just gonna eat and then we're gonna go take nice hot showers and go to bed. So anyways, okay, bye. How do we look? Sunday?
Yeah.
It's Sunday.
At 8:44 a.m.
And we're leaving Barcelona.